Today we're taking down the old wall that we had up around the classroom. There are a lot of defects in it from when it was made originally, and I wanted to show the students the correct way to make it. So we were taking down the old wall. The next thing we'll do after this is we're going to go ahead and drywall it and finish it just like you would in a normal construction project. Drywall, trim, door, window, painting. Today in this process they were just simply using the ram set to nail the walls into the concrete floor and into the block. From this project, right now they're mainly learning on how to do framing. That's what they did, is they framed the new wall and then they put up the new wall. After that they're going to learn how to put the drywall on. They're going to learn how to mud and tape. They're going to learn how to put the door in the door frame, making sure it's plumb and level, and then it opens and closes correctly. They're going to learn how to put trim around the doors and the windows and baseboard along the floor, and they're also going to learn how to paint the wall and do it all just like you would on a construction site.
A lot of us want to go into a career with construction or building and stuff like that. Another thing is some of us just like building, so home projects, making cabinets, making our own bedroom out of a living room. It just really depends on what you're looking at.
I really think it's important for these kids, whether they go into construction or not, they get a chance to see what they can do. I think a lot of these students didn't think before they came into today that they could build a wall, that they could stand the wall up, that they could drywall it. So not only are they, I think they're learning valuable skills that maybe they could use one day when they have their own house, and instead of hiring a handyman to come in and fix something, they can do it themselves. I think I want them to come away with some enjoyment. I think a lot of them really enjoyed what they did today. I definitely want them to come away with some knowledge that they didn't have before. Even the problem solving in putting up the wall, we ran into a couple of difficulties, and it was like, okay, how do we fix this? And so they saw how I solved the problem, and there were even a couple of times when one of the students had pointed out and said, "Mr. Serling, wait a second, we have a problem here." And so they noticed there was a problem, and so we had to fix that problem. So I think coming away with those problem solving skills is good as well.